Hello lovely people, how you doing? I hope you're well and I hope you enjoyed the activity of looking for those words. What we're going to do now is we're going to correct the words and then we're going to look at a few images or videos just exemplifying the different words. See you in a minute. So the words that we had to reorder because they were jumbled up, they weren't in the correct order, were the following. Now the first word was vine. The second word was vineyard. Now have a look at the difference in pronunciation between vine, and vineyard. Vineyard. It's not vineyard, it's vineyard. Another one is berry. Berry. This can also be seen as being a grape berry. Then we have the trunk of the vine. The vine is usually grown on different types of soil. Soil. I also want you to concentrate also on the pronunciation of these words. Soil. Then we have a plot. Now, a vineyard is a plot that is specifically for vines. A plot can also be a piece of land as well. Something used for agricultural means. Then we have leaf. I've heard lots of people say pamples or pamples in English doesn't exist. All right, so leaf. Then we have grapevine. Now this is another word we can use for vine. And then we have this last word, which is bunch. Now a bunch of grapes consists of lots of different berries. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you with a video some of the little some of these words. Okay, so back again, right? Hope you enjoyed that. I'm sure you got them all correct, but we're just going to go over some of the words there so you have a good concept of what we just looked at. Now, as you can see behind me from my lovely balcony, here we have a vineyard. A vineyard, all this area here is one vineyard, right? And here we have some rows of vines, lots of different vines there. Okay, so a vineyard is a plot, as you can see there, a plot of land with vines, sometimes in rows. So these are vineyards, right? And these are vines. We can also call them a grapevine because a vine is actually another word for a climbing plant. A plant that looks for the sun because they look for photosynthesis. So if we say a grapevine, it's a specific vine related to grapes. And therefore, with the grapes, you have the bunches, and with these bunches, you have berries. Now, here, these vines are planted onto the land, but also what we call soil. Soil, the brown material around and where the plant is actually planted into. Okay? Now, where you see those vines, the brown part, the part that comes out of the soil and up, here you have what we call the canopy, and there we have leaves. Definitely not pamples or pampulations. No, leaves, right? And in singular, leaf. And we have the brown part, the more permanent wood, which is the trunk, right? So I hope that clarifies some doubts. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll answer as soon as possible. Have a great week, lovely people, and speak to you soon. Get ready for lesson number 14. See you later.